So I just got the Royal Enfield official alloys installed with the Vredestien tires. These are the tires that actually come on the Continental GT now, but I got them for the Interceptor and it's performing really well. I just did a 50-kilometer ride and now the bike feels a little more nimble. At the same time, the braking has also improved. The quality of tires is much better than the C8 tires, and also at the same time the wobbling that I was getting with the C8 tires is not there anymore. Now, somebody might say that the look is not as retro it used to be, which I agree, but at the same time I think the handling, the fact that you will not have to deal with punches is really good. This costed me around 27,000 rupees, including the tires and fitting and all, which I think is a fair deal. Looking forward to do some more rides. Thank you.